This is the Pioneer Fireplace Door for masonry fireplaces. This rustic fireplace door has a heavy-duty 14-gauge steel frame. The Pioneer has two door-style options: trackless bifold and cabinet doors. Cabinet or twin doors have one solid piece of glass in each door and swing open wide. Trackless bifold doors have two panes of glass in each door that allow it to fold in half when opened. We're using a different door, the Eminence, as a visual example. The clear 3/16" tempered safety glass in the doors is covered by a 1-year warranty. As a safety reminder, always keep the doors open when burning a fire. The high heat can discolor the finish and shatter the tempered safety glass. This door does not include any spark protection, but sliding mesh curtains are available as an upgrade on this product. The steel main frame of the Pioneer is 3 inches wide and is 1 inch deep. The Pioneer masonry door shown here is 36 inches wide and 31 inches tall. But this door can be custom sized to your specifications to fit any masonry fireplace. The damper slots along the bottom of the door frame allows for better air circulation and an enhanced burn. The door is available in 6 powder coat finishes: bronzed iron, charcoal, copper vein, silver vein, textured black, and vintage vein. The Pioneer is an overlap fit door only. It comes fully assembled with all mounting hardware included for an easy installation. As a reminder, overlap doors need a hearth to sit on to support the frame and won't work with hole-in-the-wall fireplaces. Outfit your masonry fireplace with the picturesque Pioneer Fireplace Door today from Fireplace Doors Online.